हाँ बोल। मैं खिलाऊं?
Dhaval and Akshay, would you please join us as well? कुमार मंगत साहब से मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि kindly join us on the stage as well. हमारे writers हैं मितेश जी और आनंद गांधी. Could you please join us as well?
Guys, the whole team come on stage.
Please come up on stage. We'd love
Everybody
to do this
has
with
a
the
big
team.
contribution, from our writers to our cameraman to our editor to music. Please everybody come on stage, वरना list बहुत लंबी है, बोलते बोलते मैं थक जाऊँगा.
Thank you, Ajay साहब. Thank you so much. That's the coolest dabba I have ever seen. If that was the dabba जो मेरी माँ देती तो I'll have to bring it back.
हाँ इतना अच्छा डब्बा है, वापस ले तो लेके आते हैं ना.
This is too special. लेकिन you can't just cut the cake like that. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग हैं, मेरे दोस्त हैं जो आपको wish करना चाह रहे थे. मैंने आपसे वादा किया था. So this is a moment and where we are पहले गाना फिर खाना. Okay, so this is on cue, ladies and gentlemen. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Woohoo!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Like to request जो इस वक्त stage पर हैं, we'll have a quick photo op with the entire team first. With the team first, और उसके बाद we'll do solos. Thank you.
I'm coming to that side. Huh?
Yes. चम्मच खा सकते हो? I'm sorry. This is. Don't fool me, okay? No. That's thermocol. Oh my God, this is amazing.
It's yummy. It's yummy. Kajal, 1 minute.
Hi everybody and welcome to the trailer launch of a very very special film जिसका नाम है हेलीकॉप्टर ईला. And आज एक बहुत ही खास दिन है जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं. लेकिन इससे पहले that we talk about all of those special things, एक सवाल मेरे. Would you want to take a shorter walk and come up? Yeah. A big hand please, ladies and gentlemen. This is so gorgeous, beautiful. Happy birthday! Oh my God. And I know, could we pass a mic to Kajol, please? Could you pass a mic, please? Thank you. First of all, working on your birthday is the last thing that I would expect. Okay, but you made this happen. Why are you working on your birthday? No. I will give you, I'm on stage. I swear I'll wish her. All right? Yeah.
Thank you so much. Again, the mic is not working.
So, I'm working on my birthday because that's something again that my mother taught me कि अगर आप अपने जन्मदिन पे काम करोगे तो पूरा साल काम करते रहोगे और बहुत ही शुभ चीज है करने के लिए.
Wow. Okay. This is only for our friends again. Kajol, like the last 35 seconds never happened. Why are you working on your birthday?
Is my mic working? Yes, it's working this time. Okay, this time on mic and officially. It's something actually that my mum taught me, and from the time that I was a child, and she always worked on her birthday. और हमेशा कहती थी कि अगर आप अपने जन्मदिन पे काम करोगे तो पूरा साल काम करते रहोगे. And hopefully that will prove true.
बहुत बढ़िया. आपको थोड़ा सा और वॉल्यूम चाहिए माइक पर? लाइट चाहिए. Okay, we'll order that. Thank you. Is that okay? अरे लाइट बैलेंस ऑफ हो गया है ना? Okay. My second question to you, birthday girl. इस फिल्म को देखते वक्त, इस ट्रेलर को देखते वक्त, there was a point जहाँ पर मुझे लगा कि where does Kajol end and where does Ela start? You know, there is a very thin line और मुझे पता नहीं ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है that you have just erased that line.
Actually, that line should be asked to Mr. Ajay Devgan to actually ask him कि ये line कहाँ पे शुरू होती है और कहाँ पे end होती है, उसको और रिद्धि को पूछना चाहिए.
In fact, yeah, we should do that, right? We should.
एक थप्पड़ पे शुरू होता है और थप्पड़ पे end होता है.
Oh, absolutely. In fact, तुम्हारी गाल इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं, लेके आओ उन गालों को. Come, Riddhi Sen, please join us on the stage.
Without a mustache and beard, but it's him.
Zordar Talia, and I'm so glad you're giving him that welcome at the age of 19, a teenager to win a national award and a very, very rich legacy. ये आते हैं एक बहुत ही खास legacy से, लेकिन ये सारी legacy जो है अब this is your first Bollywood film. That's very exciting, right? And in your first Bollywood film, you've got Kajol to play your mom. I'm like, I'm sorry, I'm super jealous.
No, this is a dream. I'll tell you something. So I got a phone call from Dada, Mr. Pradeep Sarkar, one fine morning, and he said that he just called me like, "What are you doing?" I said, "Nothing. Tell me." And he's like, "Pehle bol bhav to nahi khayega." I said, "No. What happened?" I'm planning a movie where there's a mother and son movie. It's a mother and son movie. So where you will be the son and Kajol ma'am will be your mother. I thought he's joking. Honestly, I thought he's joking. And then I suddenly found out that he has already casted me in the film. And that's something which is unbelievable still for me, because just not to be a part of such a great film, but I got to meet such amazing human beings at the end of the day. So huge thank you to Ajay sir, Kajol ma'am and Pradeep sir for introducing me to this Ela family, which consists of amazing people where everyone each morning just love their work. And they are the human beings. They're all great artists. I'm nobody to comment on that.
Truly, yeah.
But they are the human beings I want to look up to.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
क्योंकि तुमने कहानी शुरू की है प्रदीप दा के साथ, तो मुझे लगता है कि आप next I should invite him on the stage. Dada, would you please take the stage for us? Thank you. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. An author, not just a filmmaker, Pradeep Sarkar. Welcome to the stage. दादा, वेलकम टू द स्टेज. आपकी फिल्म जब भी आती है, आप तो जानते ही हैं, हम में से कई सारे हैं जो बस इंतज़ार करते हैं कि कब आपकी सेंसिबिलिटीज़ हमें नज़र आएंगी. लेकिन ये जो दिस होल आई कैन फील अ बंगाली फोर्स फील्ड राइट हियर. या एब्सोल्युटली, रियली. सो ये जो नेक्सस है, इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. आई डू वांट टू आस्क यू, इस फिल्म के लिए आई एम श्योर यू सॉ काजोल प्ले ईला, लेकिन वो आपके आंखों के सामने कब आई when you were reading the script, please?
आंखों के सामने आज से 10 साल पहले.
जी
आज से 10 साल पहले मुझे सांस लेते दीजिएगा. 2 स्टेप चलेगा. आज से 10 साल पहले she gave me the award for Parijita. Okay,
For the oldest debut.
and she started laughing. क्या कर रहा था? और मैं क्या यार, ये एक 50 साल में डेब्यू तो क्या हो गया, ठीक है ना। उस तब से मेरे दिमाग में कब इनके साथ एक फिल्म बनाऊं और क्या मौका मिला।
और क्या मौका मिला है, बहुत बहुत बढ़िया। You know, let's talk about that Bengali force field on the stage at this point. Was it very, very high on a lot of food? बहुत खाना था set पर?
It was high on Bengali. Exactly.
It was really high on Bengali, yeah. So first few days, so Dada insisted on giving me instructions in Bengali also. So I was like, you loved it.
No, because suddenly he's like, Kajol ma'am, so you are coming from here, তারপর তুমি এখানে চলে যাবে. And then I said, what is he saying to Kajol ma'am? Constantly.
We had 3 languages going on, so we were all a trilingual unit. We had Hindi, English, and Bengali, all 3 languages going on simultaneously. So it was quite a mad rush. And I actually had to stop at one point when he became too fast, and he was like, and I was like, Dada, just come back. I can't understand a word of what you're saying. Come back. Say English.
Cano.
Cano. There is a huge story. Please, he's not doing it properly. But his cano is the sweetest and cutest thing. It is just the sweetest thing. And the best is how he and Shishuda, who's our DOP, I don't know where he's sitting right now, but Shishuda is this. He's awesome. He's this tall guy who's how many years younger is he to you? I don't know. But Dada also insists on calling him Shishuda. And da. And then he goes very troubled and he was like, Cano. It's the most cutest thing. I don't know whether the joke is translating right now or not. Nahin? Bahut mushkil hai.
No, I think that's the thing, right? When the Bengalis are with you, you have to become Bengali. There is no other way this works. So बहुत शुक्रिया आपने इतने मीठे जवाब दिए मुझे, because it's such a beautiful and a sweet language. At this point, I also want to call upon someone, you know,
who doesn't speak the language.
Who doesn't speak the language?
Exactly. The only person who doesn't speak the language. Come on up, Neha.
Come on up, Neha Dhupia. Come on, guys, give her a big, warm welcome to the stage. Would you please pass on the mic? Yes. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
I'm sure I haven't had the chance to say Mubarak ho, so I'm just going to do that सबसे पहले. Mubarak ho.
Thank you. फिल्म के लिए?
हाँ जी, फिल्म के लिए, of course.
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है. बाकी
चीजें तो पुरानी हो गई. In fact, there is a very interesting thing that they say, that it's reinvent parenting, Neha. And this is something that I look to you for at every point. You have an opinion, a very informed sort of stance about things. When you say reinvent parenting, what would you like to see?
I mean, for me right now, because I'm endorsing a film like Helicopter Ila, I have to say I'm the force that actually doesn't believe in the things that she does. And that's the part I'm playing. I play the part of Padma, and she doesn't always necessarily feel that not what Kajol is doing, not at all, but what Ila is doing is not what's 100% correct. So. No, but I don't mean it. You're putting me in a fix right now. But the thing is that, you know, the thing about parenting is it's so beautiful, or motherhood, or whatever, however you'd like to look at it, there are no rules. No mother is ever wrong. There's no book. You don't have to follow any sort of tutorial or manual or any of that. So I feel like whatever a mother does out of love. Sometimes she can go to different extremes, and sometimes, you know, they can be moderation. So I've experienced that in my house, and I think my mother is very strict, and my dad is very lenient. So, I mean, I'll stick to Helicopter Ila for right now. And whatever Kajol and Ila are doing is 100% correct.
That's fabulous. You know, as a co-actor, it's always fun to ask about our favorite actors. So you have to tell me how it was, you know, is set par just hanging around with this force that is Kajol.
Oh my God. I was somewhere between, I had my fangirl moment, and somewhere between smitten and, you know, I was just like, oh my God, I'm going to go, like, not so much with Dada, because I have just actually, can I just talk a little extra?
Yes.
As always. One of the reasons why I'm here today is because this man who's standing on my right, that's Pradeep Sarkar. A lot of people don't know that I started my career with him. So I was just a random girl doing theater in Delhi, and then he happened to cast me in a music video, and my life changed, because I was just like, I traveled by air for the first time, and he paid for my air ticket. I'd never traveled by air.
Wow. Wow.
Till I was 18 years old. We were only traveling by train because I'm a 4G kid and you can't afford air tickets. And we went to Mauritius. I got to be with a band of boys who were like semi-cute. So I was, having lots of fun by the beach and listening to music. And then when I left, I still remember I got a check of 30,000 rupees. And I was like, what are you giving me this money for? So he's like, this is your fees. And I'm like, you get paid to do this stuff? And here I am, where life's come a full circle. But it doesn't end there, because our lovely producer for Helicopter Ila, sitting right here, that's Ajay Devgan. I started my film career with him, so this is the first of many for me.
You know, I'm gonna do this trivia क्योंकि मैं 90s की बच्ची हूँ. वो film कौन सी थी? Okay, anybody?
Okay.
Anybody? No,
Yeah.
because oh man, well done. It is a film called
You
Qayamat.
just made us sound very old. मैं 90s की बच्ची, मतलब it came out in 2003.
हम सब 90s के बच्चे हैं, हमेशा. So
But
that's
to
okay.
come back to your question, I was. No, but I was like, for my first day on shoot, I was totally smitten. I was like, for like 2 minutes, I learned my lines and I came and I was just like, I'm facing the camera with Kajal. I need to get myself back. I'm sure Riddhi went through the same thing. And she's amazing. She's got this energy. She switches on like... there was one day, I mean, you'll see the promo where she's singing on stage. She's walking around and she's just like, having a nariyal pani and she's going on stage like nothing's going to happen. And suddenly he said action. And she like turns on in front of the camera and you're like, how does she do it? I mean, I can go on talking about how amazing she is, but I'm going to stop.
I just want to say, Kajal, this is the best birthday party.
And yes, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Her day, her year, her film, everything.
According to me, anyways, my birthday, I'm queen of the world. Nobody's allowed to say anything to me. So it's like an unwritten rule. सबको मेरी बात सुननी पड़ती है. अगर मैं खून भी कर लूँ तो भी मतलब everybody खून भी माफ है मुझे आज तो. So everything is okay on my birthday and great. So thank you for wishing me, everybody. I know it's a Sunday. मुझे पता है Sunday है. अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आपको यहाँ पे आना पड़ा. Thank you so much मेरा birthday मनाने के लिए. And we are here for Helicopter Ila. So thank you very, very much for that.
मैं जयंती लाल गाड़ा साहब को बुलाना चाहूँगी from Penn. Could you please have him on the stage? Hi sir, कैसे हैं आप? Please welcome. And the man of the moment, of course, you just actually gave us a cue, Mr. Ajay Devgan. Would you please join us on the stage? Thank you. What a beautiful moment. As Ajay walks up and takes his place right next to his Ila, I think that would be appropriate. गाड़ा साहब आपसे मैं पूछना चाहूँगी content led films, जब भी मैं आपके साथ यहाँ पर एक फिल्म प्रेजेंट करने आती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि you're heavy on content और ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. इसके बारे में ज़रा एक लाइन में प्लीज़ हमें बताइए what's the philosophy?
हेलो इस फिल्म के बारे में वैसे तो मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि अजय जी को शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहिए हमें ये फिल्म से जुड़ने के लिए और शिवाय के बाद हम जुड़े साथ में तो मुझे खुशी है कि इला के साथ हम जुड़े और अजय जी ने हमें रिस्पेक्ट दी इस फिल्म के लिए.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आपसे मैं माइक लेना चाहूँगी. Thank you so much. Ajay, this is for you. Wow. Okay, producer, husband, father, and kind of like you are the human being that she chose to spend her life with. So I mean, you have great taste, and you probably, this is so much more than just a film and a production. You're so close to this subject. Let's start by asking you the same thing that I asked her, which is, Kajol kahan, khatam hoti hai aur Ila kahan shuru hoti hai?
अच्छा जवाब देना.
इसीलिए सोच रहा हूँ. काजोल खत्म नहीं होती है और ईला शुरू ही रहती है.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Fabulous. The title is so unique. It's Helicopter Ila. It could have been Ila, I don't know. Lekin ye Helicopter Ila, is there something there that you're talking to about, about just parenting? And you guys are parents of two beautiful kids who I met this morning. I would love to know how that works out.
I think it was the demand of the script. Ila was the title of the film, and people did not understand. We also thought, why just Ila? And in today's times, आप किसी भी बच्चे से पूछिए तो उसकी माँ एक हेलीकॉप्टर है. और yeah, exactly. I mean, so many people saw this trailer and they reacted, oh, this is my mother. And the mother said, these are my kids. and the buzz connected the most. तो इसलिए हेलीकॉप्टर ईला क्योंकि वो जैसा आपने पहले कहा कि she keeps
मंडराती रहती है।
मंडराती रहती है और एक्चुअली सिर्फ हेलीकॉप्टर माँ नहीं होती, बाप भी आजकल या शुरू से है बच्चों के लिए, आजकल के बच्चों के लिए fathers also helicopter parents father.
You know, at this point, it'll be really lovely to pass the mic to you and add on to that.
Didn't I already do it in sign language? But yes, definitely. I think it's a lovely time right now. I think that Helicopter Ila has come at the right time. जब आप माँ बाप के बारे में बात करते हो तो it's not necessarily कि माँ ने जो सिखाया है. I think it's beautiful and it's wonderful how many fathers actually are getting involved in their children's lives up to that extent and loving it and enjoying it for a change. So I have to say during Helicopter Ila, in fact, that was one of the absolutely most amazing things about my husband, I can say, is that the days that I was shooting or that I was out of town, he made sure that he was in town and, he was taking care of the kids and putting them to bed. My kid, at least, and putting him to bed. And I think that's all about what today's parenting is about. Yeah.
Also, the best part of the film is that when you see the film, there's nobody negative. Neither the child nor the mother. They both are right, they both love each other. They both are in a circumstance and they want to help each other in that situation also. So that's the most beautiful part of the film. Yeah.
You know, I want to do this at this point, and I'm sorry, ये बिल्कुल plan नहीं है, but seeing the two of you together, I know all my friends will agree. यार नजर उतारने का मन कर रहा है, okay? And I'm being totally desi about it. I just want to say, like, you guys are, like, really gorgeous to see both of you all together. I'm going to request कि आप कुछ chairs लेकर आएं because my friends from the media will have some fabulous questions, I'm sure. बहुत सारे interesting सवाल हैं, बहुत possibilities हैं. So please think of your questions.
We don't need chairs, except for
Dada, yeah.
दादा बैठ जाओ इस ऊपर में बैठो चलेगा.
No, it'll be nice if you take a seat, but they might want to actually keep you here for a little while. Please have a seat. Thank you. Just want to quickly acknowledge a few other great acts that are part of Helicopter Ila. Amit Trivedi ka music hai. He's not here today, but the soundtrack is really fabulous. It's on Saregama, one of my favorite labels. So thank you, Saregama, for bringing us such fabulous music. Iske saath, I do want to acknowledge the fact that there's a huge bunch of people associated with the film, जिनके बारे में मैं आपसे बात करूँगी थोड़ी ही देर में, as our really great looking and very talented cast and crew settle down, we can start the Q&A. All good? Okay.
Good. Hi, Kajal. Kajal here. Hi. Happy birthday to you.
Correct. Right.
So, Kajal, we believe that your character spans over almost 2 decades, for at least 18 years or so. So, what is the process like in terms of looks and how did you go about? How was the process of acting?
It was much easier than it would have been for a normal person because fortunately I knew what I looked like and everybody else also knows what I looked like 18 years back. So it was much easier to go back and just Google myself for a change. We had a very talented designer with us, Radhika Mehra, and Dada and she and me, we all got together and we did a little bit of research as to, how it should be, what it should be like, clothes-wise, hair-wise, etc. So I think we've done a decent job.
And Riddhi, I want to ask you, how was it working with Kajal? What was the first day like? Was it intimidating?
No, because before that we had rehearsals. So during the rehearsal period, I was really intimidated to see the person who is one of my most favorite actors. But then what happened during the rehearsals that she has an amazing sense of humor to begin with. I think that's something which led us all to relax. And I think I'm nobody to comment on how she is an artist. We all know that. But she's an amazing human being. And I think that's the thing which made me comfortable on set totally. Because of her love, because of her empathy, and what an extraordinary human being she is. So I think that's the entire thing which helped me to build my character. Thank you so much.
Ajay, did you pitch in into the content and anything you had to suggest for this? Anything that you felt like
No,
would...
actually, I'll tell you how it started. It started with Anand narrated me. Hello. Anand narrated me this beautiful idea, and we all loved it. And from that moment onwards, Mitesh came in. Mitesh started working on the screenplay. Then Robinda came in, and it became a team. And they came out with a beautiful script. तो सबसे अच्छा काम मैंने ये किया कि मैंने सही टीम चुनी. फिर मैंने दादा को बोला आप ये सुनो, and दादा was on board, and then the whole cast was on board. तो मैं सिर्फ यही देख रहा था कि सही लोग हैं कि नहीं इस फिल्म को बनाने में. And I think I'm right.
Thank you. Would you
Thank
pass
you.
the mic, please? Thank you.
वर्किंग अच्छा अभी काम कर रहे हैं सबसे पहले तो आपको अपने जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और यहाँ से राइट में यहाँ
थैंक यू चश्मा भी नहीं है और लाइट भी है
आपसे यही सवाल रहेगा कि ईला और अगर हम बात करें काजोल की तो दोनों ही बहुत खूबसूरत मॉम हैं क्या सिमिलरिटी है और आज के दौर में कितना ज़रूरी है ईला जैसी मॉम बनना
ईला जैसी मॉम बनना आई थिंक मोस्ट मदर्स आर लाइक ईला हमारी जो इंडियन मॉम है आई थिंक इंडियन मॉम्स आर जनरली ऑल ऑफ अस आर ईला आई मीन वी आर एट बेस ईला वर्जन्स डिपेंड वेरी करता है कि इतनी पूरी तरह से है कि मतलब 50% तक है बट वी आर ऑल ईला वी ऑल आर completely obsessed with our children and I don't think that that's going to change वो मेरे को लगता है ये मतलब अगले 200-300 साल तक मैं नहीं देख सकती हूँ कि ये change होने वाला है और I think we're very happy with what we are right now as parents as far as the kids are concerned so I don't know about the kids but we are very happy with it and I think that I think Ila is just everything that she does because she loves her son and I think that's the basis which you realize the crux of it is that he loves her and she loves him and every action that they do goes from there so nobody can really be wrong in that can they
Hi Kajol
Chaitanya okay
a very happy birthday to you
thank you
Ajay ji and the entire team your left पे sir आपके यहाँ पर congratulations Kajol ji we know कि you share a very close bond with your mother actually तो इस फिल्म के दौरान ऐसे बहुत से मेमोरीज होगी जो आपको याद होगा एंड उसके
बहुत सारे थप्पड़ की मेमोरीज है मुझे बहुत बहुत यादें थी लेकिन आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट व्हेन यू हैव अ चाइल्ड ऑफ योर ओन जब निसा पैदा हुई थी तो द फर्स्ट थिंग आई टोल्ड माई मदर वाज लाइक I actually went to her and I actually told her that you know mom I didn't know how much you loved me I just didn't know how much you loved me till I had my own baby and till I worked so hard on her I didn't know how well you took care of me I can never thank you enough for all the work that you put into me because now I realize when I'm a mother today and I realize that I'm taking care of my child I realize how much work there is in taking care of a child and it's not only about wiping their bums or washing them or bathing them though yes that is 90% of the work but at least for the first 3 years but it's more this intense responsibility the things that you have to unconsciously teach them my mother gave up swearing she used to swear गालियाँ मतलब मम्मी की तो legendary है लेकिन when I was born and I was like she had to teach me मुझे सिखाना था कि गालियाँ खराब हैं तो she stopped giving galis everywhere she just stopped and that was she taught by example and that when I had a daughter and I realized that oh my God you know I have to be careful about what I do because it doesn't matter what I say it will matter what I do because she will learn from my example. So I every day I tell my mother that, you know, I think of you every day. I respect you more and more every day when I realize how much work you put into raising me.
It was instantly I agree because playing a mother of a college going boy actually, you know, it's not a very easy thing like to agree.
Being a mother of a teenager is not an easy thing. Just let me just tell you that. उस स्टेटमेंट के आगे बताओ पीरियड हाँ पीरियड उसके आगे क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप पूछना क्या चाहते हैं मुझसे
तो आप एग्री हो गए इस रोल के लिए बिकॉज 5-7 साल के बच्चे की मदर बनना इज ओके बट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम बीइंग अ मदर यू गिव अ थॉट ऑन इट
I did. After my 15-year-old daughter was there, yeah, I gave a thought on it. But I have to say that I look damn good for a 15-year-old daughter's mother.
Woohoo!
So,
Absolutely.
Yeah, Kajol. Yeah, first of all, wishing you a very happy birthday.
thank you.
Acha, I
Love
want-
my birthday.
Since Ela is a single parent in the movie, the character, what was the extra pressure on Ela as a character because she has to play both the father and mother?
I think that's where her because she's a single parent, somewhere down the line जब responsibility दुगनी हो जाती है तो आपको हमेशा लगता है कि ये it just carries more heavily on your shoulders, and that's where the bond also becomes more. You know, you bond much more because you're playing the father, the mother, and you at the same time you're the strict parent and you're the lenient parent. So it has to be the bond between a single parent and a child is always going to be much more, much deeper. That's what I feel. And that's exactly what happens with Ela and her son. So somewhere down the line, the son is also bringing the mother up along with the mother bringing the son up.
How beautiful.
Kajol, hi, happy birthday. Hi. I wanted to ask you, has your mother and Nisa seen the trailer, and if they have, what was their reaction to it?
My mother hasn't seen the trailer. My daughter cried, and she told me, I don't think I'm going to be watching this movie. So I am going to have to convince her with a happier trailer and tell her that, no, baby, don't worry. I'm not crying too much in the film, and the parts where I'm crying, you can probably close your eyes and go out for, something to drink.
Our next question, please. Oh, the mic is coming. Okay, great. Thanks.
Kajol, hi. Here.
Hi.
Kajol, we have seen actresses like Rani and Vidya, venturing into this space of like women-oriented subjects, like with Tumhari Sulu and other films. Can we say that now finally you have also ventured that space, like
I would like to
say
say that I don't believe in women-oriented films. I would like to say that I believe in good films, good scripts, and I think I would say the same for my counterparts, whether it's Tumhari Sulu or whether it's Rani for that matter. I think they both believe in good scripts. It doesn't matter about whether you are the whole and soul of the film or not. It matters what you're doing in the film, and it matters what kind of a film you're making.
प्रदीप जी, आप और काजोल दोनों से जानना चाहूँगा कि अक्सर उम्र बढ़ने के साथ लोगों के चेहरे गंभीर होते जाते हैं, तो
और उम्र के
आप
साथ
बहुत गंभीर लग रहे हैं।
नो
दादा,
ये था सवाल आपका।
बट चेहरे गंभीर होने का और उम्र से क्या लेना देना?
वही पूछना चाहता
मैंने कई लोग देखे जो जोकर बनते जाते हैं।
नहीं, उनकी मस्ती के तरीके बदल जाते हैं जी। मस्ती के जो तरीके होते हैं वो बदल जाते हैं। मतलब क्या कहते हैं, ठाके में थोड़ा डिफरेंस आ जाता है।
मतलब फिर आप बोल सकते हैं कि हम सब बड़े हो गए।
नहीं, तो मैं वही काजोल जी से पूछना चाहता था कि क्या उम्र और मस्ती से कोई वास्ता है? और प्रदीप जी से जानना चाहूँगा कितना चैलेंज था इस उम्र के किरदार को इस रूप में दिखाने के लिए?
आप मेरी उम्र की बात कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, मैं किरदार की बात कर रहा हूँ।
एक्चुअली कोई उम्र के बीच में आना ही नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वी आर ओल्ड एज वी आर इन आवर हेड्स। लाइक मैं ऑलवेज when Kajol is there, when she is with the little kid, she is mother of the little kid. She hasn't grown up. Or when she is singing somewhere, she is that singer. She hasn't grown up. As we see the film, we realize the growing up. You must understand one thing very clearly here, that an actress like her can do a mind change. It's not the costume or the look. It's how your mind is changing. Thank God, ma'am. For an actress.
That was so cute.
मैं थोड़ा सा भी ना, मैं बोला मैडम ये शॉट ना उसमें रह गया था, ये थोड़ा ले लें। नहीं आज नहीं, वो मेरे माइंड, it's not like that. I realized that she was changing her mindset according to the times. That's a thing to learn.
जयंती सर, आपके यहाँ पे राइट में, इधर पे
दादा वहाँ
बिल्कुल देखिए
Sim.
जयंती सर आपसे यही सवाल रहेगा कि कहानी जैसी आप एक पावरफुल फिल्म के बाद आप ईला के साथ आ रहे हैं, तो जब भी आप किसी फिल्म के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो सबसे पहली चीज़ आप क्या देखते हैं, और आगे भी इसी तरह की पावरफुल सब्जेक्ट के साथ जुड़ना चाहेंगे?
मैंने पहले बताया कि अजय जी ने जब ये मेरे को वन लाइन सुनाई, मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि मैंने 1 सेकंड में हाँ बोली थी कि हाँ ये मैं फिल्म कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि कहानी का तो ये जुड़ा है, कहानी में भी ये था।
That was my first movie.
तो
कहानी
मुझे लगता है कि ये लक वापस जुड़ रहा है, हाँ, रिद्धि की वजह से।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I want to ask a question. I'm here on your right.
On our right, right there.
This side.
This way.
Hi, Kajol. Happy birthday. One very important aspect of this film looks like the mother forgets herself in the process of bringing up the child. My mother used to write poetry and she stopped writing it at some point. But she gave us Faiz Ahmed Faiz and a lot of others. But she just forgot about it. What do you have to say to mothers who forget that they're also women and have a sense of self?
I would say just this, that it's very normal, it's very natural. It happens. It happens to everybody who gets so involved in taking care, in being the tag of mom. You become so much of a mom that you forget, you lose pieces of yourself along the way. And you have to, somewhere down the line, when we say that, when we say that we're not going to take time for ourselves, it's time for ourselves because we have to realize that you have an identity besides the tag of mom as well. You are a person, you have tastes, you have feelings, you have, all the rest of the things that are, that make a human being. And you're not only just a caretaker mom. So, yes.
Our next question will be the last question. So, who is going to ask that?
Hi, Kajol. Kajol here. Hi. Hi. Apart from the helicopter Ila trailer, what did Ajay Devgan gift you for your birthday?
It's a dangerous question. I have not gifted her anything as yet.
Yeah.
But something you would have gifted her.
No.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I'm thinking.
Yeah.
Thank you. Riddhi.
Sure. Before everyone disburses, I just want to say something with your permission, everybody's permission. That is, throughout the film, you have...
I'm not giving you any permission, sorry.
No, please, please, please. And this is about you only. This is
Ek
about you.
thappad kha le.
No. Actually, throughout the film, in the trailer also, I asked you, like, whom do you love, mommy or your dabba? So, puri picture mein, Kajol ma'am ran behind me with a dabba.
Definitely the dabba.
Constantly, like, Viv, tera dabba kahan hai, dabba kahan hai, dabba kahan hai. So, finally, today I've decided to bring her dabba back. Okay. So, can we have the dabba, please, on stage? Your dabba. Ready to see it? You kept on
Real
asking me.
dabba नहीं था, मालूम है ना?
हाँ, ठीक है, देख लो.
Okay. But it's true, right? Our mothers love our dabbas more than us. My mother for sure.
See, it's because we have to give the dabba back to you the next day.
We get the
हाँ,
logic.
नहीं तो नए डब्बे कौन लेके आएगा हर वक्त?
नहीं, लॉजिक पर बात ही नहीं हो रही, ऑब्सेशन पर बात हो रही है कि मम्मा इट्स ओके, इट्स जस्ट अ डब्बा.
साफ डब्बे कलेक्शन होता है 6 डब्बों का.
Huge dabba for you.
Who would have thought?
Okay.
रेशमा जी, could I please request कि आप भी आएं स्टेज पर? At this point, I'm sure we'd like to invite a couple of people to join us on the stage. मैं चाहूंगी कि इस खूबसूरत मौके पर